climb inside the 2019 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.